To add text in SolidWorks, this is text tool. Click on it, and we need an edge or a curve or sketch on which our text is going to be on. So that means we have to draw a line or a curve we are going to register here. So to do that, let me cancel this, and I'm going to pick line tool and draw a line. So let me just give dimension. So 150 mm. Good. So I will then click my text tool. So I'll click this edge. Okay. So I will insert my this is how to add text to our sketch. As you can change the position, this is how to change the position of our text, just like the way we normally change the way we align our text in Word. So if you click this, it will be at the middle, it will be a second edge, and you can justify it to spread it across this edge. So you can bold it and italic it. So you can change the font, but before you change the font, uncheck use document font. You have it checked initially, so you have to uncheck it, change font, and then you can select here any font you want to use. You can change, so that, but it's not changing here. So what I'm going to do is, okay, bold, and you can change the font size. Let's say um this 3, let's change it to 10, and bold, okay, and we want to change it to this. Just click OK. So you can see the difference. It has been bold. You have different font size. So that's how to format your text in SolidWorks, and you can also change the position. You see, the line is not so wide, so that's why it's not going beyond. It's not showing effects when you click here. Okay, this is showing effect, and here is showing effect. Middle is the same thing as this. So that's how to add text to sketch in SolidWorks. Thank you.